Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to make this pop-out effect in Photoshop. Open this mockup file from vector format in Adobe Illustrator. Drag and drop it to in Adobe Photoshop main document. Download link in description. Select image and drag and drop it to main document. Press Ctrl T, then adjust image size and position. Choose rectangular marquee tool. Create a new layer. Press Alt key and mask image to below layer. Press Ctrl T, then adjust image size and position. Follow the process. Using magic tool, select layer. Follow the process. And add clipping mask to horse layer. Double-click on this layer to open blending options. Then add some shadows. Follow the process. Right-click and choose Select Pixels. Click on Mask icon. And select Inside Frame and create Clipping Mask to Image Shadow. At last, blur the background image for realistic look. This is the final result, and thanks for watching.